Hello programmers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Randil Samarasinghe from RANDI RAVEL YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to design table by using HTML and CSS. Create new folder on your computer. I am create new folder HTML CSS tables. Now you open this folder with your code editor. I am use Visual Studio Code Editor. You can use any code editor. Click the icon display in the video to watch how to download and install this Visual Studio Code Editor. Now open this folder. Now create new file in this folder. Index.html. Create another one, style.css. In this HTML file, create sample web page. I am rename the title into HTML CSS tables. In our body, I am open new tag table. In this tables, I am open new tag the head, our table head. In our table head, we open new tag tr. In this tr, new one td. In this td two tags, we add our head names. I am type column 1. Now I am copy this, paste this 5 times because I want 5 columns. Rename this like out of this t head tags, open new tag t body. In this t body tags, we open new tag tr, then td. Now I am type red. Copy this. Now copy this tr again. Now I paste it again. Like this and save. I am open this HTML file with live server. You can see this is our HTML web page. Now we want to decorate this web page by using CSS. To decorate, we want link. I am using link tag to link this like this. Save and go to style.css file. I am used a star to decorate our body. First, that is font size. Our font size is 40 pixel. Then our font family is Poppins. We use Poppins font style. You can get any font in fonts.google.com webpage. Now save. You can see our font style is also working. Now we want to decorate our table. Open new tag like table, open curly brackets, then type text align center. Now border collapse. Collapse. Then margin is 25 pixel and 0. Now font size of our table, open font size, is 0.9 EF. Then min height is 400 pixels. Border radius is 10 pixel. Again 10 pixel. Then 0 and 0. This is our top radius. Then right, bottom, left, like that. Now overflow is hidden. Now box shadow is 0, 20 pixel. Then we want add RGB color. We use RGBA is 0. Zero. Then this is 0.5. This one is 0. Now we want a new one is table T head, then TR, background color is, we want keep yellow color. We keep yellow color like this. This is looking good. Now we want to add the text color is maroon color. This is the color code. Now text align left. Then font weight of our head text is bold. Now save. Now you can see it is working like this. Now we want to keep the padding because these are without any gap. I'm at new one table, T head, TD. Now add padding is 20 pixels and 15 pixels. You can see it is working. The new one is add to our body, T body, TR, open curly brackets, then keep color is maroon color. Then border bottom, our border bottom is 2 pixels, solid. We want solid color, #DDD. Now save. This line is on our web page. Okay, this is our web page that we create by using HTML and CSS. This table is very beautiful. In our HTML file, in body, we add table tags. In our table tags, we add T-head tags. In T-head tags, we add TR tags. In TR tags, we add TD tags. In TD tags, we add our head names color 1, 2 like that. Out of our T head, we add another tag T body. In our T body, we add TR tag. In TR, TD. In this TD, we add our colors like this. Now I am multiple like 4. Then close and bracket of T body. Then table also closed like this. In our CSS file, we add our body font size is 40 pixels. Then our font style is Poppins. You can get any font style by fonts.google.com website. Then our table text are aligned center. Border collapse is collapsed. Then margin is 20 pixels on top and 0 in right. Font size is 0.9 em. It is unit of font size. Then mean height is 400 pixels. Then border radius of top is 20 pixels. Then right 10 pixels. Then bottom 0 pixel and left also 0 pixel. Then overflow is hidden. Our box shadow is 20 pixel from right. It is like light black color. In our TR on T head, we add background color is yellow. Text color is maroon. Our text aligned left. Our font weight is bold. Then we add padding is 20 pixels and on top and 15 pixels from right. In table T body TR, we add color is maroon. Border bottom is 2 pixels is light color. I think this video is very interesting and helpful for your programming life. If you like my video, press the like button to my video, and if you want to get my brand new videos quickly, subscribe my YouTube channel, click the notification bell icon and select all option to get my new videos as a notification to your device. Follow Randi Ravel on your social media also. Okay, let's meet in brand new video on my YouTube channel.